how to download Zelle on iPhone. Are you guys facing issue to download Zelle application on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download Zelle on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type Zelle and hit the search button. Look for the official Zelle app published by Early Warning Service LLC. Once you find it, tap the download button, which looks like a cloud with an arrow or gate. If you haven't installed it before, you may be asked to confirm with the Apple ID, Face ID, or Touch ID. After the download is complete, the Zelle app will appear on your home screen. Tap it to open and follow the on-screen instructions to set up or log in into your account. Now your Zelle app is ready to use on your iPhone for sending and receiving money securely. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to download Zelle app on your iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.